Welcome to the demo video of DiCentral's EDI Integrated Suite for SAP Business ByDesign. In this video, we have Larry Velez who will walk us through the demo and will explain how, with DiCentral, SAP Business ByDesign users can simplify their business processes and focus on their core competencies.
Hello, welcome to this demonstration of the DiCentral EDI Integrated Suite with SAP By Design. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you a few functional items that you can do right inside SAP By Design and avoid having to go into multiple systems to handle your day-to-day business requirements for EDI with your customers, with EDI with your suppliers, or EDI with your third-party logistics, or even other partners. So let's just jump into it right away. I want to show you that within the menu options, you have available to you a module inside of SAP By Design that has a number of key functionalities that you can immediately use for your day-to-day EDI order handling. Let's open up the Integrated EDI Suite, or let's just simplify it and call it EIS. And here immediately you can see a whole number of different functions and capabilities available to the user to handle their day-to-day orders with customers or sending orders to suppliers. You can start by doing a number of configurations for your partners. You can do configurations for the document types, either it's ANSI X12 or EDIFACT or other different format types that would represent an order, that could represent an order response, an invoice, etc. You could then identify a number of properties associated with the way you want to do business with your trading partners. And then you have a whole variety of functions that are available to you, such as seeing all your inbound documents, seeing all your outbound documents, specifically zooming in on sales orders, the deliveries, and your customer invoices. You also have the ability to look at your order responses or your acknowledgments of invoices, but you also have the options of taking a look at the shipping order requests that you make to your third-party warehouse and the corresponding receipt advice from the warehouse indicating that they've actually made the shipment for you. And then you could also set up a number of batch jobs in the background to run for you on a scheduled basis in an automated workflow. So there's quite a lot of functionality available to you right within the application itself. Now, we also are consistently building on new functionalities that allows the users to do more and more inside of SAP By Design. So, for example, we can also show a price catalog. This is very useful for suppliers selling into really large retailers or suppliers selling into really large supermarket retailers or fashion retailers, that they can see what products you have available in stock, what prices are available, and you can automatically synchronize these items on an ongoing basis. A couple of things we want to do right now is zoom in on a couple of capabilities that are really interesting. So, for example, partner configuration. I can here see a number of customers that I've got configured, but also suppliers. And it's really as simple as clicking, editing, and you can see a number of the details associated with this trading partner. For this trading partner, we identified that we're going to be trading with these particular documents: purchase orders, acknowledgments, ship notifications, invoices, warehouse ship notifications, and orders. That's quite simple to set up for the user. So the user has full control of setting up these items on their own. The other thing we want to show real quick is the inbound documents. So from here, they can simply see all of the EDI documents that are coming in on an inbound basis. And in this case, we're only showing purchase orders, but it's a nice location so that the user can zoom in as if this was a log file and take a look at what's going on with all the documents coming in. And on a similar basis, we can take a look at the documents that are going on an outbound basis. So oftentimes, users are doing their job day in and day out, and oftentimes they wonder, hey, I wonder if that sales order acknowledgement went out or the invoices go out. So here's a nice way to be able to see that. Now, there's a tremendous amount of advantages to put power into the hands of the users that are doing business every day with your customers, your suppliers, and your third-party logistics providers. And the benefits is that it's just a single user interface. Users don't have to talk to IT or raise a ticket to get to talk to a service provider to help them troubleshoot any particular issues. And by the way, if I'm a business user, I'm generally going to have business problems to solve, and through being able to troubleshoot the problems within the applications itself, it gives me a lot of power and a lot of speed in being able to resolve particular issues. So these are some of the things I wanted to share with you today. Hope this was useful. Please let us know if you'd like to talk more. We'll be happy to give you deeper demonstrations so you can understand the benefits of integrated services module for SAP by Design.